Dialogues. I'm Mr. Zaman, and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Forever chemicals disrupt key biological processes, finds Keck School of Medicine study. A team of researchers from the Keck School of Medicine of USC found that exposure to a mixture of synthetic chemicals found widely in the environment alters several critical biological processes, including the metabolism of fats and amino acids in both young children and young adults. The disruption of these biological processes is connected to an increased risk of a very broad range of diseases, including developmental disorders, cardiovascular disease, metabolic disease, and many types of cancer. Known as per and polyfluoroalkyl substances or PFAS, these man-made chemicals are used in a wide range of consumer and industrial products. PFAS are sometimes called forever chemicals because they break down very slowly and accumulate in the environment and human tissue. To understand the effects that the mixture of PFAS has in the body, the team used blood samples collected from 312 adolescents who participated in the study of Latino adolescents at risk and 137 children from the Southern California Children's Health Study. They found that all the children and adolescents had a mixture of several common PFAS in their blood, including PFOS, PFHSS, PFHPS, PFOA, and PFNA. More than 98% of the participants also had PFDA in their blood. Study finds irritable bowel syndrome or IBS patients to suffer significantly higher rates of anxiety, depression, and suicidal ideation. New research from the University of Missouri School of Medicine has established a link between IBS and mental health challenges such as anxiety, depression, and suicidal ideation. The research highlights the need for health professionals to evaluate and treat associated psychiatric comorbidities in IBS patients to improve their overall health and quality of life. IBS is a chronic disorder of the stomach and intestines affecting up to 15% of the population. It causes cramping, abdominal pain, bloating, gas, and diarrhea. This study looked at more than 1.2 million IBS patient hospitalizations from 4,000 US hospitals over a 3-year period and found that more than 38% had anxiety and more than 27% had depression. Both figures were double the rate of anxiety and depression found in those without IBS. The prevalence of psychiatric problems including anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, suicidal attempt or ideation, and eating disorders was significantly higher in the IBS patient population when compared to the general population. Regular use of laxatives may heighten risk of dementia, finds study. People who regularly use laxatives, a common treatment for constipation, may have more than a 50% increased risk of developing dementia than people who do not use laxatives, according to a study published in the online issue of Neurology Journal. The study does not prove that laxatives cause dementia, it only shows an association. The study involved more than 5 lakh people in the UK Biobank database with an average age of 57 who did not have dementia at the start of the study. Of this group, 18,235 people or 3.6% reported regularly using over-the-counter laxatives. Regular use was defined as using a laxative most days of the week during the month before the study. Groundbreaking approach for treating Alzheimer's disease shows remarkable success in mouse models. Despite Alzheimer's disease being linked to mitochondrial dysfunction, currently no drug candidates have targeted this aspect. Researchers at Ben Gurion University of the Negev are proposing a new treatment approach by targeting the mitochondrial gatekeeper, the voltage-dependent anion channel 1 or VDAC1, which controls mitochondrial activity and controls cell life and death. VDAC1 plays a crucial role in the cell death process mediated by mitochondria, which is why the team of researchers chose to focus their efforts on the dysfunction of the mitochondria in a mouse model for Alzheimer's disease as a target for treatment. The research showed that an increase in the amount of the VDAC1 protein in the cell leads to its organization as a ring with a large channel through which death factor proteins and mitochondrial DNA exit, causing cell death and an immune response respectively. Here, the researchers show that the protein is produced in huge levels in the brain of a mouse model for Alzheimer's disease and is concentrated in the nerve cells around the plaque, leading to their death. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.